This is the SolarCam D1 Classic 4-cam kit by aosu, an upcoming home security brand with cutting-edge products, solar-powered, environmentally friendly, and all of that for an unbelievable price point. Cameras everywhere with a base. It's unbelievable, insane value right there. I can highly recommend checking out their website and their online stores, but in this video, it is of course all about the SolarCam D1 system. So yeah, let's find out if it is actually as good as it looks and sounds. Got a new drip from aosu, the SolarCam D1 Classic 4-cam kit. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So we have the box right here. This is the front side right there. D1 Classic kit, 4 cams, and the base brand right there. We have the small print right there, and also part 2. Bottom is blank, and on the side we even have little carrying handles. Really nice. So let's open it up. 1 and 2, and these will just come out like that. All right, let's get in there. Nice blue color, and on top we have stickers as well as the paperwork, foam divider for protection. And now look at that. Here we have the 4 cameras, and right here the base, as well as all the accessories and the cables, and also the wall mounting hardware. Let's get it all out. Also drilling presets or guides, and yeah, the cameras. Okay, there we go. 2, 3, and 4. And there we go. So that's more manageable. Yeah, now let's move on to the accessories. And of course we have 4 each. There we go. 4 times the bracket for wall mounting it. You know, this holder looks like that. 4 times screws and dowels for the walls. 4 cables, USB-A to USB-C in white. We also have the power brick for the base station with the connector right here, and the power brick itself has this exchangeable plug and also all the specs. Let's slide it back in, and we will also get one of these Ethernet cables also for the base. So the cables up there, hardware for wall mounting it right there. We will get this template for drilling the holes. We will also get stickers. Here we have the base with the ring in the front as well as the branding. Nice glossy shiny top. We have this on the back with the speaker and all the ports as well as the sync button. And as you can see, it's nicely rounded. And down here we also have an outlet for the speaker and for nice rubber feet. Great stability. And yeah, it's a nice cute base station. And lastly, we also have the paperwork right there. So from the back. And of course, we have a multi-language manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there we have it. Paperwork, template, wall mounting hardware, power brick, cable, base station. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have the cameras, and we do have 4 of them of course. So as you can see, this is one unit with a panel on top, rubberized, really nice, weather and impact resistant in case of the rare hailstorm, I guess. Great to have. We have an antenna on both sides and the moving dome right there. So yeah, great build quality, nice body, nice design. We can take off this protective film, and we also have one. So yeah, let's take a close look. So we have the front with the partial panel, the brand, as well as the camera module with the LEDs, and it has a wide range of motion. That's 90 degrees, a little bit more than that. It can also rotate 360 degrees all the way around, and the dome is black and white as well as rounded. On the back we have the speaker for the 2-way audio communication, microphone in the front, and down here we have the reset and on-off button in here. So reset button, on off, integrated battery. Back here we have the snap on for the wall mounting bracket. It will just slide in and it will then snap in place. So there we have it. And also down here we have the USB-C port for powering it up, charging it just in case. And again, on top we have the panel, and this is a nice multi-segment panel. So in case of a partial coverage or a shadow hitting it, it will still be able to make use of the rest of the segments to still deliver power to the camera. And lastly, we have the small print right there, and also the antennas, they can move from here to here. Not bad, right? So let's set it all up, check out the app, and then of course test it. Here we are at the test grounds. As you can see, it is a beautiful day. I have the box with all the cameras right here. And let's start with the first step, namely powering up the base station and connecting it to the router with the Ethernet cable. There we go. And now let's plug it in. Let's power it up. And as you can see, the green light will flash. There it is, a beautiful base. And next we need the app. The publisher is aosu and there is only one app, so you can't go wrong. So let's open it up. And first of all, we need to create an account. Let's approve the email. So we are verified. So here we are at the home screen. Check it out down here. We have the cloud and we have the online support. Really cool. But of course, let's click on add a device. Give it all the permissions. It has recognized the home base right off the bat. Let's add it, and now check this out. It will immediately pick up the 4 cameras as well. So let's bring them over here. So right here, let's open it up. And right here we have the power button. Let's press it, 3 to 5 seconds.
Hello.
All right, it will talk to us, beautiful. And the next one, so it's currently doing the calibration.
Hello.
Let's go. As you can see, the app has already picked up 2 of them. Here we have the third one.
Hello.
And let's also remove this cover and last one. So one last camera and there we have it, done. So the setup is extremely fast and simple. We do have the option for a cloud, check it out, but we can of course also use it without the cloud. Cloud offers seamless playback and many awesome features, AI detection, image push, filtering and all of that good stuff, but let's skip it for now. And as you can see, first of all, let's go through the firmware update and let's wait for that to finish. And meanwhile, let's mount the cameras. It is extremely simple to mount them. You just need to screw in the base plate and then you can just pop on the camera. It's some sort of a quick release system and you can remove it by just pushing it off or pulling it off. And this is how they will snap onto their base plates. So I have 2 of them on this tripod. Blue status LED indicator light right there. I have one right here in the front. Boom, antennas. And look at this one. This one is already tracking me. That's cool. Yeah, and the last one all the way up here on the corner. A total of 4 cameras. Now that is awesome. And all of them with an incredible range of motion for this price point, unbelievable. So and meanwhile, we have another cloud storage offer, but that's fine. So we have this little walkthrough right there. And now check this out. We have 5 devices all in all, including the home base and 4 cameras. The charge level is really nice. This is straight out of the box, but the firmware update is still in process. So let's give it a few more minutes. Oh, down here we have one. And we have the voice changer here as well. Really cool. And looking around in progress. Wow. Oh, that's the front one right there. Okay, let's give it a name right off the bat. Front, save. Okay, let's wait for this to finish. Yeah, now let's check out the app. So this right here is the dashboard. We also have the cloud tab right here. You can upgrade, it's super cheap and very versatile, great features, and again we have the online support. And now let's check out the dashboard in detail. So up here, check it out up here, we have the user, we have account management, we can share devices, and we also have other settings right there, newsletter and all of that good stuff. Right here, this is a shortcut for the cloud service, and up here we can add new devices, but we have already done all of that, of course. Now we also have a multicam view, really dope. So we have all 4 cameras on one screen basically, very smooth, and we will check that out in a second. And we also have the smart security tab right here for quick global settings. So we have the away mode, the home mode. We can snooze all devices or turn them on. And we also have settings for each mode, so check it out. We can customize this for every camera. Let's go back, and we also have the home mode, so we don't need the alarm when we're at home. So let's execute the home mode. And right here we have the devices. Here we can snooze each camera for a given amount of time for privacy reasons. We also can check out the recorded events, and we also have the settings for each camera. We can turn it on and off. We can share the device with the nearby, or we can also share it over the mail. Here we have the event settings. We have motion detection, of course. We can activate human only if you don't want trees or bushes or animals to trigger it. We have an auto alarm. This is disabled, of course, because we're in the home mode. We have the notification settings, notification time, all day, every day. We have different modes right there, and we also have the cloud recording, but for this we of course need a plan. So let's go back. Then we also have general settings. Let's check out the video mode, 2K mode, that's best quality. And we also have the night vision mode, two-way talk speaker, and of course we also want to record sound. We have the battery management, battery percentage. Okay, this is great to see for the charge level because these are solar cameras, of course. We have the status LED light. We can deactivate it if you want to go low profile so that it's not visible during the night. And we also have Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant connections and home base info right there. So we have the 4 cameras that are connected. And lastly, talking about the home base, we have it all the way down here, and this is the same tab that we just saw. And before we test the video quality, let's also rename the cameras. I think this one, oh, it's on this one is on the stick. Okay, we have stick 1, and let's go back. This one is so fast and so smooth, I love it. And that's me right there in the car. Let's rename this one corner. And lastly, we have the stick 2 camera right there. So we're all done and ready for a test. So for this I have moved the stick cams way up and more into the center of the garden. But let's start at the front right here. So with swiping we can change the angle, really nice, and check it out. You can literally go all the way downwards. This is a rare thing with cameras. And we can also go pretty much parallel to the floor. And yeah, we can go all the way around. So with this one we can even monitor the entrance area, and as you can see the playback is very smooth and the motion is very fast. Let's switch to the corner camera. It's right there. So once again we can go all the way to the wall and we can go all the way down. Extremely versatile, and the range of motion is massive. It's best to mount them up high, and we can also zoom in. So the higher they are, the better, because you can move them all the way down. And as you can hear, we have the audio as well. And we can also use this joystick down here to move the camera. And we can also use this joystick right here. And when we press in the middle, we can start a 360 round look, but let's abort that. So check it out right here. We have the events, and we of course also have the local events right there. And here we have a list of all the AI detections. So we have humans passing, we have cross camera tracking, really cool. We can select the quality right there, standard definition and ultra definition. And now let's grab a video. Let's check it out. Let's focus it on me.
And this is the audios from the actual device.
Right here, we can activate the two-way audio. And we have the voice changer right there as well. We can sound an alarm. Wow, that's super loud, oh my goodness. And we have quick select for tracking, voice alert and calibrate. Let's stop the video. It is stored in albums. And we can also take a screenshot and mute the sound. Okay, and now let's go back and let's go to the stick, because this should be the most interesting angle right there. Yes. So let's mute the sound, and now let's check this out. So let's zoom in right here. So we are currently controlling the left one. Let's grab a video, and as of now, I'm doing nothing and it's currently tracking me throughout the garden. Check this out. Super fast, super accurate, and all the way to the pool and wherever I'm going. As you can see, the quality is superb, and after some time it will return to the default position that you can define, of course. And again, with the joystick, we can move it around. We can even zoom in. Look what Tyler and the other kid is doing. Check out the pool, all of that good stuff. Oh yeah, and that's the full round look right there. Check it out from here all the way over here. So this is a full 360 degrees. Absolutely amazing what this thing can do. What a powerful system for this price point. It is unbelievable. And now let's go back to the iPhone and check this out. We can also activate the illumination, but of course this will make more sense during the night. And this will be right the next test. So I will see you in a bit with the night vision tests. And we are back. As you can see, this camera picked me up. The infrared LEDs are lighting up. We have the corner cam, here we have the front camera, and of course it is following me, and here we can see it a little bit better. And as you can see, it is completely dark. It's the middle of the night, and up here we have the stick. So here we have the front cam. Let's check it out. So as you can see, in dark places the black-white night vision is active, but it can also automatically switch over just like that when it sees a very lit up area like the car trunk, which is very bright. So let's switch over to the corner camera, and now check this out. The whole driveway gets lit up thanks to the infrared lights, and it's very light sensitive as well, which is great to see. And check this out, all the way back here we have the iPhone that's filming the stick cameras. And now let's look over to me in the car right there, and the light just went off. So let me turn it on again. All right, so that's me right there. Let's go. Great zooming capabilities. And now let's switch to the stick. Let's grab a video. So this is the black-white night vision quality right there. The infrared LEDs are doing a great job, as you can see. That's the other camera right there. And that's me right there. Look at this quality. That is awesome. Let me grab a video. Just like that. Wait, let's go back. So there we go. Really nice quality, black-white night vision with the infrared LEDs. Okay, and now let's turn on the lights. Oh, that is super bright, nice. So as you can see, it will follow me even in the night. And that's the video quality of the colored night vision. And let's turn it off again. It will continue to take the video, switch over to the infrared LEDs, that's what it looks like, and it will of course still follow me around, give me the notifications that I have been detected. So yeah, proper night vision to say the least. Great tracking, 4 cameras all in all, extremely versatile system. So yeah, so massive thumbs up from my side. I still can't believe how much value you will get out of this system. So as you saw, the D1 SolarCam offers great hardware and build quality all in all, as well as a straightforward and easy setup. It's a great ecosystem and the app works great and will guide you through everything with ease. And in just a matter of minutes, you have a state-of-the-art security surveillance system, complete with a base station and all in all 4 cameras. And each of them can be moved a full 360 degrees, as well as tilted 90 degrees, no blind spots. What a powerful system. It is amazing. The features as well as the picture quality are great too. 2K resolution, we have automatic cross-human tracking, sound and voice alerts through the built-in speakers, and you can also communicate through the camera thanks to the two-way audio capabilities. And best of all, there is absolutely no monthly fee. Buy it once and enjoy all the features forever without any additional charges. And thanks to the integrated solar panels, you're doing something great for the environment too. You will save on electricity. So this system will pay for itself in just a matter of time. And it of course will also power itself indefinitely. No wires needed. It is so convenient. Yeah, not to forget, you can even expand the system with indoor cameras, a video doorbell, and much more very easily. So the whole aosu ecosystem is definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. If you're interested, I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.